Welcome to Market King. In today's video, we're going to talk about business cycles and the traps of business cycles. That's one thing a lot of trading companies get into and where they lose their minds and they change things that actually work. So let's get into what is a business cycle. So there is business cycles in every single business. That means your revenue never looks like this. It's the same as a trading chart. The trading chart never trends all the time in one direction. What it does is it starts over here, it goes up, it drops, it goes up, it drops, it goes up, it drops. Maybe it drops lower and the previous low, and it goes up, and it takes momentum to get to the destination where you want to go. Now, a lot of trading companies and businesses overall, they think that a business cycle works like this. I'm going to start off, and in 6 months, I'm going to be here. Okay? But the actual win is to just see this happening before seeing this happening. Okay? The actual win is to just see some form of upward momentum. And then a correction, like it said in the trading world, and then going up again. So a lot of companies forget about the business cycle. So not every month is going to be better than the previous month, okay? Not every month is going to be an all-time high. There is going to be months where you make a $10,000 over here, and then it's an $8,000. Okay, and then there's a new month, you've got a 12,000, damn, you're going up, and then there's another 8,000 or 7,000. Okay, and then there's a month where it's 10,000 again until you're at the 20,000. Okay, when I get in, this is what my business should look like, and that's where they start getting crazy. Okay? Because what companies then tend to do is they tend to actually change the thing that's working. Okay? So they panic. They say, oh shit, we don't have that 10,000 month anymore. We're going to an $8,000 month over here. We have to change everything. And with those changes, that's when famine strikes. That's when you see a massive decline in what's already working. You never want to change what's working. The business cycle will do what the business cycle does, okay? Not every month people have the same amount of money to spend, okay? There's a lot of external factors that you can't control, and you can't choke anyone for money, okay? Well, you can, but that's robbery, and that's got to be bad for your business, okay? So you never want to change what's already working. This is where a lot of trading companies miss the point, okay? Yes, you want to grow. You want to grow. You want to go to that point. But having this small win over here, okay, that is a win. And having this correction over here is also a win. But never change what's working. Just add to what's working. The solution is always to add and not subtract. So if you've got an email marketing strategy that's tested and you saw $10,000 per month coming in consistently, you know it's working. You know it's working. Even if you have a month that's a $2,000 drop, it's still working. And when you've got $0, that's when you know, okay, shit, maybe I'm missing something. Okay, then you can go back to that. But if you see some sort of consistency, something like this happening, you have a winning email marketing strategy. You just have to add to that. And the one thing a lot of companies miss is they think with the same amount of email subscribers, they're going to grow. And they're going to squeeze every single one in that 30,000. They're going to squeeze every single one out. But that's a mistake. Statistically, a 7%, only 7% of people are in the buying window, and that changes every single month, okay? So if you've got 30,000 subscribers, 7% of that is 2,100. That's 2,100 people that's in the buying window, okay? Now, you have to hit that 7% of people. But they are just in the buying window. That doesn't mean they are going to buy. They're just in that bracket. People that's actually looking for that solution. So you want to make sure you get a percentage of that amount every single month. And if you've got an email marketing strategy that can hit 100 of those people, you're actually winning. Because you are convincing 3% of those people to actually get into your courses. That's massive. That's massive. You're convincing 3% of those people inside there in the buying window to actually take the step to buy. Okay? So if you're seeing a 3% consistently every single month, that's great. Don't change your email marketing strategy. Change this. Okay? Because if you've got these stats, then you know if I want to double my sales, I have to double my email list. Okay? If I want to make 2,000 sales, I have to add another 0 on that email list. Okay? And that comes with adding to the system. Yes, you can work on your persuasion, test out the lengths of email. Do people actually read a lot of emails? Is it your sales page that got something missing? Maybe testimonials missing, maybe an AI bot missing, maybe FAQ missing. Don't scrap anything that's already giving you results. Only add to that and fine-tune that. That's where the solution is going to come in for you. So if you want consistency, remember there's a business cycle. And remember, not every single month is going to be the same as the previous. And if you want more results, you have to double up on everything. You have to double up on people. You've got 10,000 people giving you $10,000 per month. Okay, that's $1 for every person in there. That's amazing. So you're getting paid. For every person in there, you're already making $1. Okay? And if you want to double that and you want to make $20,000, you have to get 20,000 subscribers because that's what the stats tell you. Stats never lie. Stats never lie. If you don't have stats, you've got a problem. Then you actually have to build something that can give you stats. But you can only build on something if you've got stats. And that's very important. So make sure you are aware of the business cycle and that you are working on the correct things and changing the correct things. Never change a winning recipe. Only add to it. And that's the key. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe to this channel. Let me know in the comments if there's any other sales and marketing topics you want me to cover, and I'll get to work. I'll see you in the next video.